everybody. Afternoon, evening, wherever it is for you. We are here in the little village, fishing village of Kylescoop in the Scottish Highlands. We're still on our 2-week adventure of touring Scotland. Yesterday was kind of a chill day after we got back from doing the hike out to the lighthouse, the Cape Wrath Lighthouse. So that was on a previous video. If you've missed that, scroll back and you'll be able to see that video. It was a really good one. Today we're heading up to, we're going on a cruise, on a boat cruise, out to see the tallest waterfall in England and Great Britain, Scotland. I think it said it was a 200-meter drop. I've seen this waterfall before when I did the Cape Wrath Trail. I saw it, basically was pretty close to it, but this time I'm going to see it by the loch, which is behind us. It's right off Loch Glen Cool, I believe I'm saying it right. There's a bothy at the end there, which is a really nice bothy, which we'll be checking out. Hopefully we'll be able to get some good shots of it and we'll be able to see it. So we're just at a viewpoint here, and just behind me is where the boat takes off. So I'll do some videos of that here in a minute. So stay tuned for that. And apparently we can see seals. So on the sign here, it's saying that you might be able to see some seals. So that'd be cool. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. It should be a good one. And we'll see how it goes. So this is the sign I was just looking at. And it shows you about some seals that you can see and another wildlife. So it's a common or common grey seal is what you see. And this is the view of the loch-in. Of the loch, and the waterfall is all the way down at the tip there. So yeah, looking forward to seeing it from the boat. Let's head down to the marina now and check out the area down there. So there's some holiday rentals there you could stay at, which are kind of nice right here on the slipway. There's also a bar and grill, do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this is like a little walkout that I'm walking on. So you can see basically over the loch. I'm not sure if that's the boat we're going on. It might be. But yeah, so this is the loch. Very big one. And it goes all the way down to the tip down there where we can see the waterfall. So yeah, it's a really nice area. The midgies were out in force this morning when we got out of the van. So we made a quick exit to come here because there's a breeze. So there's no midgies now, thank God, because they were quite bad. The van is parked up the road up there. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing today, and then we're heading into Ullapool to set up the van for a few nights stay at Ullapool. There's another slipway across the bay there. Zoom in on that. There's another slipway over there. All right. All right, we just got off the boat tour there and then went in immediately to the hotel and got ourselves a cup of coffee. So yeah, it was a really good boat tour. There's potentially of seeing sea eagles and golden eagles, which we didn't see unfortunately, but we did see lots of seals and lots of seals, and we saw a few birds, but nothing out of the ordinary what you see on a regular basis. So yeah, we did learn a lot about the loch though here. Apparently there's 13 sunken submarines, which is crazy, and they use it I guess for training and stuff. So it's a pretty popular spot for snorkeling. That's not snorkeling, for diving. And also apparently up there further up there's a lot of geological rock. Is it geological? Anyway, a lot of rock history in the rock formation where the students come here to study the rock formation. So that was quite interesting. So yeah, good tour. Highly recommend it. I'll leave the wait for the car to go by. I'll leave the link in the description for the boat tour. It was £25 a person. I think it's well worth it to go down and see the waterfall, even though you really can't see it too well, but you can see the top of it, which is cool. And yeah, and if you want to walk to Cape Wrath, you can see it right. You can literally walk almost underneath it, so which is pretty cool. So yeah, we're going to carry on to Ullapool now and get the kit set up for the couple night stay with them. So I'll take you along with us. We'll get the awning set up and the van all set up, and then we'll walk around Ullapool for a bit and see what's there. So stay tuned for that. Just spotted this from the road. I'm not sure if it's an old castle or an old building of some sort, old house maybe, but it's on like an island inlet. So I'm gonna walk across it and get a good look at it. It's on this big lock here. All right, got the van all set up and our campsite set up for the next 2 nights. Looking good. Perfect view of the lock. What's going on. We're gonna go get some food now, ready to cook for tonight. Not a bad spot, I would say. That's our nice dinner cooking up for this evening, guys. Tiffany's got it all cooked up. Got our dig set up for the evening to sleep. That's where we'll be sleeping tonight. I'm having me a brew too. What am I drinking? Cairngorm Gold. Good stuff too. And that's the view out the front as you've seen before. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there then. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.